Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'm going to tell you a short story about how to use simple past tense. As usual, after the story, I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Please listen to me carefully. Last year, Carol worked in an office. She typed letters all day. Her boss was a man named Mr. Carson. She started at 8:30 and finished at 5. Alright, now I want to ask you some question about it. Where did Carol work last year? The next question. Did she type letters all day? What was her boss name? What time did she start work? And what time did she finish work? Alright, I hope this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.